Chefmate, leaders in kitchen ventilation systems, have brought to the culinary world, Freedom Cooking Front Cooking Station. Freedom Mobile Front Cooking Station is designed to enable cooking anywhere within the restaurant premises. This makes it a very viable option for the restaurants to cook in front of the guests, giving them an enhanced experience. It can be ideally suitable for breakfast counters, buffet counters, and outdoor catering. The unit has self-contained filtration system to treat the fumes, resulting in pure air being discharged within the dining premises. It has a 4-stage filtration which takes care of the oil, smoke, and odor generated during cooking. The filtration unit has the capacity to filter down to 0.01 micron of oil and particulate matter. The final output of air passes through carbon filters, which completes the deodorizing of air getting discharged. The unit is a very silent and causes no inconvenience to the diners. It contains electrical plug point for the induction cooking modules. It has heavy-duty caster wheels to easily move the unit anywhere. The filters are easy to clean and can be washed in a dishwashing machine. With so many unique features, Freedom Front Cooking Station comes out a clear winner.